All right, Matt went out and collected a bunch of wild edibles. We'll go over them here real quick and see what he found. All right, here's Matt's wild edibles that he collected. Matt's out here for the 50-day, but the Artisan of Wild Plants is part of that 50-day. So this is what he collected. We're going to run down the line real quick. What is that, Matt?
That's goldenrod.
All right.
That is stinging nettle. That is curly dock, or a type of dock anyways. That is western blue flax. You got some dandelions, bluebells. Those are a type of harebell, I forget the exact name. This is, I believe, elk thistle, some fireweed. Apparently rose leaves are edible. The rose hips are not quite ripe yet, so I didn't pick any of them. We got some wild raspberries. Got some pineapple weed, or chamomile weed. That is what's left of a thimbleberry. I just missed those. They've all kind of gone off. That was the only viable one I could find. This is a type of currant. I'll put that over here with these guys. So currants and gooseberries. That is clover. Then we have silverleaf potentilla.
What's edible on that?
The root apparently is edible.
Right. The root. You can eat the leaves too, but the root is the more palatable piece of that. And then let's see, what do we got?
Roasted grasshopper, just because. And then that is dragon head mint. Everything's a little wilted because I was using a plastic bag to collect it, and I got kind of sidetracked on the way back to camp. So.
All right, so some of these wild edibles are going to need to be processed. You can't eat them raw. Some of them have to be processed in even further with pulverizing them or making them into, like the seeds here, the seeds of this guy, the dock. You can't just eat those, but you can eat the leaves. But yeah, you got to take the thorns off the thistle here. But everything else, real quick scan here, you can eat raw. You can't eat grasshoppers raw. You have to cook those. But there's not really wild edible plants, but it's still a wild edible. But there's our quick rundown of some wild edibles that you can eat, and we're going to make something out of these and then move on to medicinal plants.